I bought my Seagull about a year ago.
I bought it around 4 months ago at Seagull.org.
I recently bought this Seagull 1963 from Seagull1963.org.
Alors, la fameuse, la plus belle de toutes, la Seagull 1963, que j'ai acheté sur Seagull1963.org.
I'm absolutely in love with how beautiful the movement is.
Amazing chronograph. I love the movement. It works perfect, keeps perfect time.
J'en ai eu des chronographes bien avant celle-ci, mais vraiment celle-là, elle est magnifique.
I wear this watch every day, and I would certainly recommend it to everybody.
I also love the history behind it.
Vraiment une beauté avec les petites aiguilles bleutées.
I can't be happier that I can own a mechanical chronograph and it can have the history that it has. I love this watch.
Franchement, un petit bout d'histoire et c'est magnifique.